This is how you upgrade an old receptacle. You'll begin by first disconnecting the power at the circuit breaker. Next, you'll remove the cover plate with your flathead screwdriver. Double check that the power is disconnected. Always treat anything electrical as if it's live, even when the power is disconnected. Next, we'll remove the old receptacle. Like so. Disconnect the old wires. Next, we'll pigtail our wires, which provides a more secure connection to our new device, rather than just having them connected and passing through the device itself. Strip your wires to approximately 3/4 inches in length. Now these wires are pretty short, so you have to get in there. So you have your wires ready for your wire nut. You can either twist them by hand with a pair of alignment pliers or use a wire nut driver. Take your wires, push them back, and we'll do the same for the hots. 3/4 inches long. Take your ground wire and create a loop to attach it to the device. Take your device, hook it on. Take your pigtail wires and cut them a little bit longer than hand length, like so. Take your neutral, strip it, create a loop, hook it clockwise,